Frustrated that you can't see everything your Telegram groups are sharing? Let's unlock those sensitive content filters in Nicegram. First, open your Nicegram app. Make sure you're logged in. Look for your profile icon. It's usually in the top corner of the screen. Tap it to open the side menu. In this menu, scroll down until you find Nicegram Settings. Tap on it. Now, within Nicegram Settings, locate and tap on Telegram Settings. On the Telegram Settings page, find and tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down, keep scrolling, until you see sensitive content. If you don't see it, move on to the next step. Now, head to your computer or any web browser on your phone and type in my.nicegram.app in the address bar, then hit enter. You'll see a toggle labeled Show Sensitive Content. By default it is set to OFF. Simply switch that toggle to on. That's it. Close and reopen your Nicegram app. Now you should be able to view all content in your groups. Enjoy.